So this is a continuation of the previous video. I'm going to apply this power to x to the third and also this 2/3 power to x to the sixth. So I'm going to keep this as two logs for now. So this is natural log of, in parentheses, x to the third, and then we're multiplying that by the sixth power, plus natural log of x to the sixth, and we're multiplying this by the 2/3 power. Okay, so once we distribute this 6 to that 3 and this to that 6th power, let's condense to a single log. So then this is natural log of, this becomes x to the 18th power times, this is x to the 6 times 2/3 is the same as the 4th power. So then applying properties of exponents, I'm just going to add the powers and write the final answer as natural log of x to the 22nd power, and that is the answer to number 4. So that's condensed to a single log. Let's move on to example number 5. So for example number 5, we have the power rule that needs to be applied. Okay, so this, it just means I'm going to rewrite this as log base a of 4 to the half power. But don't forget, the half power is the same as the square root. So log base a of the square root of 4. But then we know that the square root of 4 is the same as 2. So then this is log base a of number 2. And that is all for example number 5. Example number 6. So for this one, we have 3 logs. So we need to condense to a single log. And there is several properties that I need to apply. I think I'm going to do this in just 2 steps. Okay. So I'm going to apply this 2 as a power to the 6 and also this 1/2 as a power to the 3. So let's see. So I'm going to condense to a single log. So this is log base a of, this is plus, so that means we have 6 square times, this is 3 to the half power, right? So this is 3 to the half power. And then this is minus, so that means this goes in the denominator. So over 12. Then I'm going to continue to simplify. This is equal to log base a, 6 squared is 36. And then that 3 is inside of the square root. So 36 square root of 3. And then this is over 12. But then notice that this simplifies because 12 goes into 36 3 times and 12 goes into 12 1 time. Which means this 36 becomes a 3 and this 12 becomes a 1. So then the final answer for this one is log base a of 3 square root of 3, and that is all we can do for this problem. Okay, for the last example, this one is fun to work with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to condense to a single log and then I'll simplify. So log base 4 of 16, that power applies to the 16, so 16 to the 1/4 power. And then this is minus, so that means that goes in the denominator, and this power applies to the 27. So we have 27 to the 2/3 power. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to convert this to radical form. So this is the 4th root. So log base 4 of the 4th root of the number 16 over, this is the cube root. So cube root of 27 square. Okay, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify this. So this is the 4th root, and the multiples of 16 that are prime are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Since we have 4 2's, that means we can take out a 2, so there is no radical left. Okay, and the same thing here. We have 27. 27 is the same as 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 cubed. So then this is the cube root of 3 times 3 times 3. But that's just 127. We have the square of 27, so that means we have 3 more 3's. So we have 1, 2, and 3, which means we can take out a 3, and we can take another 3 from here. So then this simplifies to, so this is log base 4, 4 root of 16 became a 2, over, this is 3 times 3, right? Because we have a 3 coming out, so there's a 3 coming out from here, and another 3 coming out from here, so this is 3 times 3, which is 9. And that is all for this lesson.